I'm Jo, and I'm here today to talk about my emetophobia journey, and also this is an entry into the Emetophobia-Free Thriver of the Year competition, so I thought it was worth a shot. So I am now 33, and I started having emetophobia around the age of 8 years old, I believe. So quite a long time. And for so many years, I just put up with it. I just thought it was part of me. I just kind of lived with it. And then I found that the phobia became much worse when I had my son 2 years ago. And the anxiety was horrendous. And I thought enough was enough. I've lived with this for too long. So I'd already tried other forms of therapy. I'd tried hypnotherapy and counselling, but I never really felt that they understood the phobia and that they really kind of got to the bottom of the problem. So that's when I Googled and I found the Thrive program. And initially I purchased the manual and started working through it myself. But then I came across the coaches online, and I thought it would be really helpful for me to have a coach to kind of work through the manual with, just to kind of be able to ask them further questions, to have someone there as a kind of a support, and to keep me accountable week by week to make sure I was kind of actioning everything correctly. So I contacted Emma Rogers, and she was absolutely fantastic, so lovely, and really supportive, so knowledgeable on the course. And it really, for me, it helped having that person there as a support, and to guide me through it. And honestly, the Thrive program has changed my life. Like, it has been life-changing. The last few months since going through the program, I've done so many amazing things, which has involved, I did a 10K race for Race for Life. So I used to like running in the past, but I hadn't for so many years. And I really wanted a challenge, like alongside doing the course. And I thought, well, brilliant, I'll try starting up running again. And I thought, for a charity for such a good cause as well. Alongside that, this year I have had a few tough things going on. So my dad was diagnosed with prostate cancer at the start of this year. And obviously it's been really tough for us as a family and for my dad going through the treatment and everything. And that's partly why I wanted to do the Race for Life as well, because obviously it's a charity event for cancer research. So I really felt like I wanted to make a difference, as well as challenging myself with the running aspect. So I'm really proud of myself for that, and I feel like that's something that I wouldn't have necessarily done before going through the program. I feel like it's just given me so much confidence to just go out there and do these things and challenge myself, because I honestly feel like now I can do anything. You know, I have that confidence in myself that I can do things, and I didn't have that before. So that's one of the reasons why the Thrive program is so amazing. It really, really does build your self-esteem, and, you know, just gives you so much more confidence. I also feel that the way that the course has helped me has also helped me sort of support my dad through his cancer diagnosis and treatment. I think before I would have been much more anxious and almost kind of more of a burden on him in some respects, because I'd be worrying about him more and, you know, kind of building up more anxiety. But I was really able to help support him in a positive way. I was always thinking about what we can do in that moment, what I can do to help him, not what's obviously out of our control, because things like cancer are out of your control. But it's what you can do in that moment to help the person, and what the positive steps are in the process. So my dad's even said that it's really helped him, me going through the program, being able to support him. Also this year I was able to go on holiday abroad. So previously I have been abroad on holidays, but having had a little son, that just filled me with anxiety, taking him abroad, going on holiday, going on an aeroplane, all those kind of things, before going through the program. But in June we went to Mallorca and we had the most amazing time. and I was just so relaxed. That's another thing. Like, I feel like I'm just so much more chilled, calm in situations that I would have normally been more anxious over. But we had a really fantastic family holiday, and I just think it was the skills that I've learned from the course have really helped me in that sense as well. So we had a really good time. And also I went to a concert with my dad, actually, which was lovely, at the O2 in London. And again, that's another thing that I wouldn't have done previously. You know, I would have avoided big events like that, or maybe would have gone, but I would have just built up so much anxiety about it that I wouldn't have really enjoyed being there. But I just had the best night. It was fantastic. And yeah, I can't thank Thrive enough for everything that, it's just brilliant. Like, it's been life-changing. And I'm so thankful to Emma and the rest of the Thrive team. I think another thing to say is the fact that I am still on the journey. Like, every day isn't brilliant all the time, and that's just life, isn't it? You have some good, some bad days, but it's knowing that you've got the skills and that toolkit of skills now to, you know, just attack each day. You know, you're not always going to have a good day, but you've got the skills to deal with, you know, uncomfortable times or days that aren't so good, and challenges ahead. So yeah, I just want to thank you. I feel like I've really come on leaps and bounds, and I'm just a totally different person. So thank you so much for everything, Thrive.